Getting annoyed by your Android phone vibrating every time you get a message in Messenger? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through how to turn off the vibration for Messenger notifications on Android. Let's dive right in. First of all, launch the Messenger app on your phone. Tap the three lines icon on the bottom right corner. Click on the settings. Scroll down. Tap on notifications and sounds. Look for the vibrate on ring option and toggle and switch it off. This should disable it from the app. You can also turn off vibrations through your phone settings. The exact method might differ depending on your device model, but you'll usually find the option in the notification settings. That's all for today. By following these steps, you should be able to stop those annoying Messenger chat vibrations for good. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll reply as soon as I can. See you in the next video.